Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of Facebook ads. So previously in our previous tutorial, this is what we have seen so far. Okay, so in our previous class we have seen how to create an advertisement if you want to conduct a web development webinar. So now let's just see what are the other advertisement options present over here. Okay, so now I will create a different campaign. So let me just explain all these things in detail. Okay, so now let me just show you the different type of advertisements present over here. So when you click on this create, you will get this option. So first is brand awareness. Okay, so when it comes to the brand awareness, so this is basically to create awareness among the people about your brand. So now if suppose you are new to the market, if suppose you have opened your online WooCommerce store, which is a cloth or product selling course, then you have to make awareness among the people that about your brand, that your brand is selling products. If suppose you are a personal brand, if you are promoting yourself, like if you are a singer, if you are a musician, then you have to promote your brand. Okay, so in order to promote your brand, you can just make use of this brand awareness option. Next is reaches. Okay, so when it comes to reaching out to people, you can just make use of this option present over here. So if suppose if you are conducting a marathon and all, then you want to show that advertisement to the maximum number of the people. If you want your advertisement to reach to maximum number of people out there. Okay, so in terms of those advertisements, you tend to make use of this reaches. Okay, but most of the time as I have worked with in the field of Facebook ads, I prefer to make use of this traffic, and if I want to get the video views, then this one, and this reaches. Okay, so these are three options which I prefer to make use of. Otherwise rest all the options are useless. Okay, so let's just proceed further. Next is traffic. Okay, so if you're having a website, or if you're having a landing page where you want to get the traffic, where you want to get the people to look, then you will be making use of this option, which is traffic. And next option we have is engagement, which will get you more page likes, event responses, comments, reactions, social sharings and all. Then you have to be choosing this option. Okay, if suppose you have your brand page, or if you are having your company page, or whatever kind of page you are having, or Facebook post or Instagram post, you can make use of these options. So one good thing about the Facebook ads is you can run Facebook advertisement from on the Instagram as well as on the Facebook. Okay, this is one of the best use of making use of Facebook ads manager. Next is app installs. Okay, so since I prefer to work in the field of web development and this digital social media marketing as well as the app development, so what happens is when it comes to the app developer, when you just create your first app, when you upload it to the Play Store, it so happens that since there are already similar apps present on the Play Store, your app cannot rank higher in that category. Okay, so in order to make your app viral, you have to promote it to some people, right? That time you can just make use of this app installs option in order to make people install your app. And next is video views. Okay, so video views are basically if you have created some advertisement about some product. Okay, so videographic content, and now if you want to sell that product to some customers, then definitely you should get some views on that video, right? So you will be making use of this option in order to get the views. Next is lead generation. So lead generation is basically the concept of getting someone to buy your product. Let me just explain this in an easy way. I basically create courses, online courses. So if you are a student, if you are taking my course, then for me you are that lead. Okay, so when student takes my course, if one student is taking my course, I will say I have generated one lead. If two students or two people takes my course, I will say I have generated two leads. Okay, so lead generate, that is one of the lead generation process. So that comes under this option. And next is messages. Okay, so it shows people ad that allows them to engage with you on the Messenger, WhatsApp or Instagram directly. Okay, so if you want to people to message you directly, then you will be making use of this option. You can get the message directly on the Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, as they have told as of now. So this is the Messenger, and this is the conversation which is Okay, so next is conversions. Okay, so you must have already came across few websites which ask for your credit card details and all. So they will say that you can try this product for free for 15 days, but in order to do that you have to add your credit card details. Okay, so such websites comes under conversions. Okay, so this option will show the advertisement only to those people who can make payments and make purchases and all. And this is a catalog sales. So you can use this your targeted audience to show people ads with the items from your catalog and all. If you're having some catalog in which you have added some items, then you can use this option. And this is a store traffic. Okay, so when it comes to store traffic, if you're having the physical store in some locality and all, then you want you people to visit your store, right? That time you can make use of this advertising strategy, in which people will visit your physical store. It will just show the advertisement only to the nearby people. Okay, so this is not option for online business. So nowadays all the businesses are online, which provide the online delivery services, but some of the stores are local, who are physically located in some locality. For those stores, this is the best option. Okay, so these are the kind of advertisement present inside of the Facebook. And this is all for today, guys. I think this much is enough, because this is all about the introduction to the different kind of advertisement present in the Facebook. Thanks for watching.